So question 7 says, use the COUNTIF and average_if functions to summarize the number of customers and the average dollar amount spent for each movie genre. So for this one, we're going to go to data. We're going to create some labels. So I already have these labeled, but you would highlight the column and then put in your label, movie genre, and then this one would be dollar amount. So now we have that. We can just do COUNTIF and then movie genre, and our criteria, which is action. And then we can just copy that. Criteria to comedy. Drama. To sci-fi. And then to get our average, we would use the average_if. So average_if, and then we're going to use our movie genres as our range. The criteria we're looking for is action. And then we want the average of the dollar amount. Okay. So now we have to go and edit the criteria. This one. So for part B, it says conduct the hypothesis test to determine if there is evidence that the proportion of customers who prefer drama movies is greater than 53%. Use the significance level of alpha of 1%. So this tells us to use a hypothesis test. So we're going to be using our interface templates. We'll focus on the hypothesis testing templates. And so we're using one proportion since it's only given us one proportion. So we will use the z-test one proportion hypothesis test template. So it says that the significance level is 1%. And then our population proportion. So what we're trying to test is if there's if the proportion of customers who prefer drama movies is greater than 53%. So this is going to be 53%. And then the number of successes is going to be how many times customers prefer drama movies. So we already did this up here, which is 52. And then our sample size is out of 100. And that's from our data. How many? So it would be 100. So now that we have that, we can copy it. Into here. And then we can reference the information into estimates form. So for this one, our Z statistics would be this number. So our p-value, or what we're trying to test, is we're trying to see if the proportion of customers who prefer drama movies is greater than 53%. So um, this p-value is testing to see if it's less than, if the proportion of customers that prefer drama movies is less than 53%. And this one is testing to see if the proportion of customers that prefer drama movies is greater than 53%. And this one is testing to see if the proportion of customers that prefer drama movies has changed. So the p-value that we need for this question is the red section, since this is the hypothesis we are testing. We're testing to see if the proportion of drama of customers that prefer drama movies is greater than 53%. So we can just go ahead and reference this number or this p-value. And then for our conclusion, it says that there is no evidence at 1% significance level that the proportion of customers that prefer drama movies is greater than 53%.